Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is a bit different. Today I'm going to introduce you to my members of the family.
Hey.
Come along. Our official members that are super valuable to us. First, we have Altima. Nissan Altima. He is for my daddy's work ethic. So we normally don't use her, but just in case we use her for my daddy's work. She is a very special member of the family, and we've had her for a long time. Next is Ford F-150, aka 30. We named her that because it's our third car. We got her, I think, about 2020. We use her for city drive. So, we can only use her for city drive because it's only 5 of us. Yeah. And last but not least, definitely not least, we have Mommy's Van Dodge, aka Dodgy. We use her for long drives and field trips. And most of the time we use it even though we're not using long drives. We just don't want to set up everything. But yeah, I can't wait to clean them. We're going to go clean them. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys a little surprise. Hint, it's cosplaying. If you want to see more of my cosplay, go to this account, and if you want to see Gotcha Friday Night Funkin', go to this account.
What are you doing there?
What are you doing?
Daddy's cleaning the car. Get down. There's no us. Come outside. You're gonna get it dirty. Okay, you gotta stay there, okay? Okay, where's Kuya JM?
Mommy. Oh my God, there's a code.
Yep, no, don't show them. Kuya JM is cleaning the truck.
Truck.
The truck. Are you cleaning the car? Yeah.
Cleaning the car. You have to go like this, not like this.
Bad. Oops. Oopsies. JB's cleaning the van. Say hi, JB.
Baby's cleaning the van. Mommy, can we have a quick little stop at the store?
Why?
I want to get candy.
Candy again? Okay.
Yay! It's time for them to be cleaned. Let's go! After the video, I'm going to show you something very special that I made. And they're going to be paper wigs. I'm also working on a special type of wig made with tape, pipe cleaners, and paper. So if you want to see that wig, go to my TikTok. Over here. My TikTok is over here. aesthetic._daily.life, I think. I'm not sure. That's my TikTok account. If you want to see Gotcha Life account, if you want to see Gotcha Club Friday Night Funkin', it's over here. I have 2 accounts. No, more than 2 accounts. Because I'm crazy and I don't know how to connect one account to the other. Now it's time for them to be clean. Well, bam! Don't touch me. That's
Go closer.
Boo! Did I scare you? Now that the cars are all done, we're gonna give you a little tour. First, Optima.
All clean.
Optima is all
Nice and clean.
We keep everything that we need.
Altima, you just have to press it. There's no key for it. It's a
No key.
what?
There's some coffee stickers over here, just in case we want a coffee.
So yeah, that's Altima. Nissan Altima. That's our Nissan Altima. And we just go
have
to
a
the
pillow that's been through a lot, as you can tell. And we have a broken pocket over there. Broken pocket. Look,
Okay.
it's a broken pocket. That's his truck. Dirty.
Ooh, nice, huh? Nice and clean.
Fancy. This is where I sit actually. I always sit in the front seat. So we keep all our receipts and coupons here. Daddy keeps his sunglasses over here too. No, not this car. It's that car. There's a bunch of stuff in here. And there's a charger port there. There's another charger port here. This too, I think. Yeah. And aircon, obviously. Stuff like that. There's actually things under the cars if you cannot tell there are things under the car seats. Okay, next part. Oh, and of course, truck has a big truck, obviously. No, sorry. Truck has a big truck. Lastly, back.
This is mommy's car. She carry everybody. Where are you? Nice and clean. I love it. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you,
Making
Daddy.
my car clean. Nice and clean.
Some wipes here. There's some wipes.
Yep.
Obviously for Angeline. You know, for Angeline over there.
This
Fun
is a
fact.
7-seaters.
Fun fact, Angelique is actually using my old car seat. And the front seat, of course.
Who sits in the front seats?
Where I sit.
Where you sit.
We keep Daddy's glasses and coupon and our receipts in here.
Oops, nice and clean.
There's a lot of things. Yeah, we have a lot of cars.
All right.
Lastly, here's my quiz car. Cleaning it. There's a bunch of raindrops. There's my Kuya. And this is my Kuya's car. It's green. And it looks like Altima. It's a Ford. Fancy. There's a camera. See? And yeah, that's my kuya's car. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I love you.